Last month, I shared a video about why some Filipinos struggle to eat healthy. We talked about price issues, the taste of healthy food, the lack of time and energy, among others. While these are all valid reasons, I feel that it's also important to go back to Filipino habits that are actually healthy. In this video, I'd like to share a bit more about our culture with non-Filipinos and also remind us Pinoys of our good cultural practices and how we can make the most of them. The first healthy habit is that Filipinos eat local dishes that are hearty and veggie-packed. A lot of our local dishes use vegetables to enhance the overall flavor and balance out the richness of meats in traditional recipes. Examples are chop suey, a stir-fry dish made with a variety of veggies like cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, young corn, and broccoli, along with proteins like pork, chicken, or shrimp. Tortang talong is a popular dish where grilled eggplant is dipped in egg and fried. It's sometimes served with a side of tomatoes or paired with ground meat. Caldereta is a rich, savory stew made with beef, tomatoes, liver spread, and veggies like carrots and potatoes. It also sometimes comes with bell peppers, olives, and peas, giving it a hearty and flavorful profile. And there are so many more. These actually make very balanced and flavorful meals. An easy way to get more health benefits from these dishes is to increase the serving of veggies to match the serving of meat so that you get a good amount of both fiber and protein. Next, we have a lot of local produce. Many farms or even home gardens in the Philippines grow a variety of local produce like our national vegetable, malunggay. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, and just a small amount can contribute to our daily nutritional needs. We add them to our tinola, a popular ginger-based chicken soup, our smoothies, salads, and stir-fries. We also grow kangkong, okra, and saba. These are all nutrient-dense and easily available. Third, we eat a lot of fish. Seafood like bangus, tilapia, mackerel, canned tuna, and sardines are staples in the Filipino diet. These are affordable, high-quality proteins. It's actually recommended to eat fish at least twice a week for brain and heart health. So ideally, we incorporate this into our meal plan for the week. Fourth, we also drink healthy drinks. These drinks are not only refreshing but are also rooted in traditional Filipino wellness, offering various health benefits from natural ingredients. Talabat is a ginger tea that can soothe the throat and boost immunity. Pandan tea is brewed with pandan leaves, which can aid digestion and relaxation. Luyang dilaw is made with turmeric root and often flavored with honey and lemon. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, but adding black pepper to it can activate the turmeric more. Buko juice is a natural electrolyte-rich drink, ideal for hydration, digestion, and replenishing minerals after physical activity. Malunggay tea is made from dried moringa leaves. It's considered a natural energy booster and immune supporter. To make the most of these benefits, we need to make sure that these natural ingredients are the star of the drink with little to no sugar or preservatives. Fifth, we thrive with fitness communities. Fitness communities have grown a lot in the Philippines, promoting physical activity and social engagement. More Filipinos are now getting into running clubs or organized marathons and fun runs. These encourage regular exercise and training, improving cardiovascular health and endurance. Other outdoor activities are growing as well. Biking, hiking, trail running, Spartan racing, and triathlons allow people to enjoy nature while staying physically fit. Mindfulness practices like yoga and Pilates let Filipinos integrate flexibility, strength training, and mental wellness into their routines. And there are many more, from group gym sessions and cycling to pickleball and tennis. All of these groups offer social support, which helps individuals stay motivated, set fitness goals, and maintain an active lifestyle through regular meetups, events, and training sessions. Sixth, we have a healthy cafe culture. The cafe culture in the Philippines has evolved beyond just coffee, embracing health-conscious choices. In the third wave of coffee, we're seeing local coffee shops focusing on high-quality, ethically sourced beans from our country's own coffee-growing regions. Cafes have also branched out to more specialized offers like matcha, plant-based milks, keto, and gluten-free items. There's a growing appreciation for nutrition, mindful eating, and balanced choices, especially in our urban areas. Seventh, we are influenced by global practices. Filipinos are open to learning and adopting healthy practices from other cultures. Meal planning, or meal prepping, popularized by the US and Japan's bento boxes, allows busy people to have control over their food choices and reduce waste. Mindful eating, which is inspired by Buddhist and Ayurvedic traditions, is also practiced by some Filipinos. It's about slowing down, appreciating every bite, and paying attention to how food makes you feel. And finally, we share a bayanihan spirit. Bayanihan is derived from the word bayan, which means nation, and it refers to a spirit of community and cooperation. Families and friends in the Philippines are always looking out for each other and willing to help in any way, which is good for mental wellness and social support. This gives Filipinos a sense of belonging and emotional well-being, which are important for overall health. These habits, some unique to us Filipinos, some shared with other countries, show how health and wellness can be integrated into our lives and daily routines. It's also nice to look back and see how these traditions have evolved and how they remain relevant in modern times. To fellow Filipinos and non-Filipinos, let me know if you practice these too, or if there are any other healthy habits that you incorporate into your routine. Hope you took away some encouragement to make the most of these good cultural habits for yourself. But despite all of these, consistently eating healthy can still be a struggle, and I talk more about it in this video here if you want to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.